How to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Gmail app on your device. If you want to archive any emails here, simply swipe left or right and the mail will be archived. If you later on want to retrieve that archived email, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the All Mail option. Now here all the mails which are in your inbox, which means the mails which have not been archived, will be labeled inbox. All the mails that does not have this label are the archived mails. If you want to retrieve these archived mails, simply long press on those mails, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, tap on move to inbox. Once you do, that mail will be successfully retrieved. Now you can follow the same process for the other archived mails as well. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.